Let's start with first example. The sun comes out at 5 a.m. and the temperature is 10 degrees. After 6 hours at 11 a.m. the temperature rises to 22 degrees. In this case, the temperature is the y value. The temperature went from 10 degrees Celsius to 22 degrees Celsius over the course of 6 hours. Here you can see the graph. After plugging in the numbers, we found that the rate of change is equal to 22 minus 10 divided by 6, which is equal to 2. Agents, don't forget that the smaller number needs to be subtracted from the larger one, so you don't get a negative.
Our example for the instant rate of change is when you as an agent shoot an arrow to the enemy. Now we will calculate the trajectory of the arrow at a specific point. The formula of the trajectory is minus 0.5x squared plus 2x plus 1.8. The specific point is x equals 4, y equals 1.8, which is when the arrow hits the head of the enemy. We calculate the derivative of the given formula f prime of x equals minus x plus 2. We plug 4 in the derivative and calculate the result of it. Our solution of instant rate of change in this point is minus 2.
In this figure, y represents the distance driven by car B, and x represents the distance separating car A from car B's initial position, and z represents the distance separating the two cars. After 3 hours of driving time, we have the following values of x and y. X equals 500 minus 35 times 3, which equals 395. Y equals 50 times 3, which equals 150. We can use the Pythagorean theorem to find z at this time. To answer this question, we will need to determine z prime, given that x prime equals negative 35 and y prime equals 50. Agent, remember that a rate is negative if the quantity is decreasing and positive if the quantity is increasing. We can again use Pythagorean theorem. Write the equation down and remember that x, y, and z are all changing with time, and so differentiate the equation using implicit differentiation. Z squared equals x squared plus y squared, which goes to 2zz prime, which equals 2xx prime plus 2yy prime. All we need to do is cancel a 2 from everything. Plug in the known quantities into the equation and solve for z prime. After 3 hours, the distance between the cars is decreasing at a rate of 14.9696 mph.
Our last mission is to calculate the percentage rate of change regarding the enemies in the past 5 years, to analyze the level of danger in our world. With a given table and the formula f of t equals 0.475x minus 954.1, we calculated the percentage rate of change. Our result is that we have an increasing danger of 0.05%. Good luck, agent. The world is counting on you.